Jurors have been deliberating Chad Daybell's sentence for about 3 hours now with no end in sight. News specialist Daniel Woodruff joins us right now. Daniel, those jurors heard arguments from both sides here before they started deliberating.
Yeah, Mike, from the prosecution, they talked about Tammy Daybell, Tylee Ryan, and J.J. Vallow, the 3 victims in this case. Prosecutors said their murders were so depraved that Chad Daybell deserves the death sentence.
It didn't matter the age of the victim or who relied on them and loved them. If they were in the way of Chad and his plan, and/or if there was money to be gained for Lori and Chad, those individuals were marked for death.
But Chad Daybell's defense attorney argued in front of the jury that Chad Daybell was a small-town guy from Springville, Utah, living a quiet life with his family in Idaho, but that things forever changed for the worse when he met Lori Vallow.
The Lori Vallow bomb being dropped on Chad Daybell's life, and suddenly all of this stuff changing. And you evaluate that and you look back and say, is this a person? If it wasn't for that trajectory coming in and changing the path, is this where we would be going? It's not where we'd be going.
Lori and Chad, of course, both ended up getting married, and Lori Vallow Daybell was convicted last year here in Boise in this very same case. Now, we continue to wait for word from the jury. They've been deliberating now for about 3 hours. It's ultimately their call. Does Chad Daybell get the death sentence now that he's been convicted of murder, or will he get life in prison? We'll keep watching. Mike, back to you.
All right, Daniel, thank you. And updates in this case, as mentioned there, could come at any moment, including over the weekend. Make sure to have the KSL Plus app downloaded on your phone to get the latest breaking news.